Hey guys, Riley's Productions here. So when we bought our fixturing table, this fixturing table from JMR, they hooked us up with a clamping kit to fixture some stuff to to bolt on. The table isn't really usable unless you have a clamping kit, but it's a decent piece. It's a made in China piece, whatever brand. You can actually get this set for like 45 bucks off of eBay probably. Um, we don't like made in China stuff, but this stuff isn't too bad. Um, I've seen other reviews on YouTube where the fit was atrocious, but the fit on this fixture isn't too bad. Jim said that it was the nicest Chinese piece that they had, and they helped us out with it. But, I actually wanted to sell it on Craigslist for like 25 bucks. I was like, look at that, and there's like gunk and trash on the threads. I actually wanted to sell this kit on eBay, or not eBay, Craigslist, for like real cheap, like 25 bucks or something, just to get rid of it. But Jim had suggested just to keep it because you can never have too many fixtures and stuff. So it's a 5/8 slotted set, so we'll just keep it. Yeah, it's not too bad. I just opened it earlier, and the steel is all not the best quality. But oh, the reason why I don't like it, and Jim explained this to me, is these are technically heat quenched, but what he explained was the Chinese guys, they only quench it for like an hour or two, so whatever hardening on the surfaces is very, very thin. An actual good set is hardened for like 24 hours in the furnace or something, some ridiculously long time, but it thickens the hardened steel's surface. So once you do all the fixturing and it wears out, it doesn't just go into the soft steel underneath like this with the Chinese stuff. So we weren't too happy with this set. I asked Jim if they have any good quality pieces, and he sent us this set, which is a TE-CO set. We're gonna unbox it for you right now. I don't know what's in here, but we'll unbox it for you guys and compare it to this Chinese set. It's a TE-CO set from the US, and let's see what's inside here. I was like getting U.S. Tools whenever I can. They're not the cheapest, but usually you're getting what you pay for, so kind of worth it to me. Some tools are very expensive, and it's a stretch because everybody has a limited budget, especially us. But when you can afford it, when you can afford it, we try to get good quality tools. So this TE-CO set comes in this blue plastic case. Well, the case is made in China. Okay, so it's just the TE-CO set that JMR sent us comes in its own little box full of things. I guess you have to sort it all out. Let me sort this all out, and we'll get it back to you guys. Okay, so here's the TE-CO, spelled TE-CO set that JMR sent us. So yeah, I can tell a difference. The when you look closely, first of all, here's the blocks, made in USA. The fitment on the teeth is much tighter. Look at that. There's no gap at all. It's like a precision set. The Chinese set, though, isn't half bad, to be honest with you. There's some play, but you can see it's not like a precision fit up with the TE-CO set. These things retail, these actual real sets that are made in US, retail for around $300. So if you're going online trying to find a set like this, and you find it for like $100 or, you know, less than $300, and it seems like a good deal, it's probably too good to be true. There are a lot of Chinese copies, but yeah, the fitment is just great. When you compare the nut to nut, this is the Chinese nut, and this is the US one. The machine work is a lot more intricate. It just looks like a better overall piece. I'm sure these are usable, but I don't know. I'm a stickler for quality, you know. So this is the US. This is the US. This is the Chinese version. Yeah, actually, the Chinese version fitment isn't that bad, to be quite honest. But the US one's spot on. If you lay the opposite clamp fixture to itself, it's straight. When you compare it to the Chinese one, it's crooked. It's hard to tell, but it's crooked. And the fit up, see, like, look at that. It's a crooked piece. When you compare it to itself, it's pretty straight. No, it's still a little crooked. So, but yeah, this we're gonna have fun with it. The fixturing slots, the T slots, a little more rounded on the American one. Yeah, I'm sure these will work fine. If I had to use them in a pinch or something, I had a big exhaust and they'll weld up or something like that. But yeah, we just wanted to get a nice US set for our nice made in USA table. So, but that's a review. We'll review this set in the future once we use it a lot more for picturing and see how that goes. But that's what you get when you get a set from TE-CO. Alright guys, Morales Productions. See you guys later.